Welcome to my YouTube channel, Takrim Media.
Top 4 New Collection Smart Water Heaters Review 2025.
Number 4.
This 12V water heater with a smart control system and LED display offers instant hot water for showers. Featuring a compact storage tank, it includes a complete shower set, ideal for RVs, campers, or off-grid use. Provides efficient, safe, and convenient hot water anytime.
Number 3.
Description: Sunrain ADL wall-mounted heat pump water heater. Maximum outlet water temperature up to 75 degrees Celsius. Horizontal/vertical optional. Multiple running mode. Slant running, low to 38 dBA.
Number 2.
This smart Wi-Fi R32 above-ground pool heater uses eco-friendly R32 gas and electric technology for efficient heating. Ideal for swimming pools, it features remote app control and reliable water temperature regulation, perfect for year-round comfort in residential or small commercial pool setups.
Number 1.
This 5 HP/10 HP/20 HP smart freestanding swimming pool heat pump offers efficient 60,000 BTU heating and cooling for pools and spas. Suitable for 220V/380V systems, it ensures year-round comfort with advanced temperature control, energy-saving performance, and a durable build for both residential and commercial pool setups.
Please click subscribe button and press bell icon to get more videos. Thanks for watching.